Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So today we have a modeling gig. We have a photo shoot. We are going for a photo shoot for a real estate company. So I headed out now. It's about 9 a.m. Yeah, so we all planned that we'll leave the mainland by like 9 a.m. so that we'll get to the island in good time.
That's right.
So I headed now on our way, and we'll see you guys when we are.
Watch out for us on all this. In the media, let me just put it like that. Watch out.
So we decided to get some snacks before going from TFC.
No, I already have one in my hand.
Because we cannot be hungry.
I did.
Boris
This is
Johnson.
how I look when I'm eating. I love food.
Real, I'm saying get here for real.
Hey guys.
Hi.
So we're here now and we're just waiting for everybody else to arrive.
Yeah, we're the early birds now.
We're the early birds. So we're going to try and get some BTS shots. I don't know, hopefully we can, because they said it's going to be a busy set.
Gonna be hectic.
It's going to be hectic. Anyways, let's just see how it goes. I don't think I'm really nervous.
No,
I think I'm kind of comfortable. I've met some people now and they seem okay. So,
They're cool.
yeah. So we're at number 6 on Kofo Abayomi Street. Okay, are we off Kofo Abayomi? Yeah. I can put the address, I don't know. But yeah, so let's go. So guys, she was asked to come and shoot on the treadmill. We're in the gym setup. We have a nice ass gym setup here. So she was asked to come and shoot there. And yeah, I'm just here doing the BCS, doing the behind the scenes. They haven't called us for the main thing yet, so I'm just gonna be giving you guys clips.
Yeah. How's Dami? That's from being since.
How are you enjoying your workout dear?
You know, I was just doing the runner man on the treadmill. The treadmill wasn't really on, but I was just like,
You get food! You get food!
It's fake kills. My makeup artist said I must do touch up.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga.
Yeah, you fancy, huh?
Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. You are what see me radar.
Hi guys, so Shay here. I'm doing the influencer challenge.
The only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Get your
So we're looking so cute with this powder.
Baby, it's 2:30 and I should probably head back home, but I'm afraid to be alone. What do I need to do to get some time with you? I'd rather be half involved and missing all of you. Drinking till the sun comes up, better than feeling like I need your love. Dancing till my legs go numb, till I go numb. Dancing till my legs go